These are the ingredients for the carrot cake muffins: sugar, self-raising flour, salt, eggs, sunflower oil, baking powder, cinnamon, and of course carrots. And here are the ingredients for your icing: cream cheese, butter, icing sugar, and some decorations if you have them. So for our carrot cake muffins, the first thing we need to do is add in the sugar. That's 100 grams of sugar, 2 eggs, mix them together. What you're trying to do here is just dissolve the sugar in the eggs. And then we're going to add in some sunflower oil. That's unscented oil. When you're sure they're fully combined, you can add in your dry ingredients. So we'll just sieve our dry ingredients, which is 150 grams of self-raising flour, some salt, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and we're going to add some cinnamon as well. So we'll sieve all of that in. And then you grab a spatula and you just mix the dry ingredients through the wet ingredients like that. There's a lovely smell of cinnamon which you'll smell also. Now we're going to fill our muffin cases. We'll bake these in the oven at 180 degrees for about 15 minutes. Now, while our carrot cake muffins are in the oven, we're going to make our icing. So for this we have, first of all, some butter, and we're going to whisk this till it's really nice and pale. And then the icing will be ready. And look how nicely those muffins have risen.